Hello traders, welcome to my channel, The Options Sniper. So, how was your trading today? Just let me know in the comment section. For me, it was not so good. Let us discuss what we discussed yesterday and what happened today. See, this was planned for yesterday. If I look at 3 minutes time frame, see Bank Nifty closed at a very weak spot according to the structure. So if we uh, thought that अगर यहीं पे कहीं बैंक निफ्टी खुलेगा then at this zone or at this zone or at this specific zone by looking at price action we will take a sell input. Okay, तो हुआ क्या यहाँ पे कहीं बैंक निफ्टी खुला ही नहीं. देखो this was our specific zone and बैंक निफ्टी opened straight gap up 300 points gap up. This was almost above every zone we had. So one thing we should do as a trader is that whenever an instrument we trade opens beyond our trading plan or what we have analyzed, stay out for that day. क्योंकि अगर एक दिन नहीं कमाने से कुछ होगा नहीं. But I didn't do that, so I faced a few loss. It was manageable, but I could have controlled it if I didn't trade. Okay, and whenever this happens, just stay at only confident zones. Okay, so this was our plan, but it opened 300 points gap up, and it just went on and on and on. So what exactly happened over here? Let's try to understand on the basis of buyers and sellers. तो देखो यहाँ पे we had a discussion on Sunday, and on that discussion we also discussed that yesterday also we discussed in the previous video. Whenever a sell-off comes, there is a demand zone. There are few orders present over here, and first time जब ये hit होता है, जितना भी यहाँ पे orders है, those all will get filled. It will go up. Again it came. यहाँ बाकी जितने ऑर्डर्स बचे वो भी फिल हो जाएंगे. सो धीरे 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 जो जोन में जो भी ऑर्डर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो धीरे धीरे घट जाते हैं. ओके, पर यहाँ पे there was a peculiar price action in this structure. If you observe, let me just delete this. See, first time it came, it hit this demand zone and it also hit this specific zone. अगर अपन देखते हैं तो 3 minutes time frame में we have a good demand zone which we spoke about in the previous video. नहीं 15 minutes में है. हाँ राइट, देखो यहाँ पे सो दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड डिमांड जोन. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑर्डर्स थे वो सब फिल हो गए. एंड अगले दिन क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे आके बैंक निफ्टी इट क्लोज एट अ वीक स्पॉट. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑर्डर्स थे वो तो फिल हो गए होंगे, बट देखो क्या हुआ, नेक्स्ट डे गैप अप ओपन हुआ एंड इट स्टेड अप ओके फॉर द होल डे. जस्ट वेंट अप एंड अप एंड नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे ऊपर गया, इट अगेन hit the supply which we have right over here, this zone, and again the sell off came in, and this day it again came down, closed here, and the next day it again came and tested this exact zone which we discussed. अगर यहीं पे कहीं अगर खुलता है then there will be a very good sell off. बट क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे मार्केट रुका एंड अगले ही दिन आफ्टर टेस्टिंग दिस लेवल अगेन it opened straight gap up of 300 points. So देखो, जितने भी बार एक जोन टेस्ट होता है वहां पे जितने भी ऑर्डर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो तो खाली होना ही. सो व्हाट वी डिस्कस्ड इज दैट until and unless a new buyer comes in the market, okay, and he creates his fresh positions, the instrument cannot go up. So yesterday in this specific sell off there was someone who was buying. Okay, so according to this there is a very strong buyer who is sitting at this zone. So there is RBI policy tomorrow. So maybe he knows something that we don't know, right? And that's why he created his buying positions in this sell-off, and again it opened gap up. And if you look at the data point, see yesterday's data, I'll just open it up for you. Yes. So this is today's data. If you look at 6th December's data, yes. See, yesterday pros, yes, index calls. Let me change the color so that it's visible. Visibility increases. Index calls. See, this was their positions one day ago, and yesterday they created huge number of shorts, call shorts. Okay, and this shouldn't. This should mean that market should stay down. Okay, because even they didn't have that information which that strong buyer did, and FIs were intelligent. देखो, their positions were hedged. यहाँ पे है, so almost hedged with slight downside. जो calls में थोड़ा उनका है इतना index puts, so even they had to just quit all their positions today, and index future also they were short. So there was someone who knew something about RBI, and he's a very strong buyer who entered the market yesterday. Okay, and this up move which happened today, see this up move, यहाँ पे थोड़ा रुका, and on 300 points gap up, see the bulls were so strong that the bears had to give up. See, you see these positions, these many are added shots. So total these many shots were added, and they were FIs were having these many puts. But what happened is that they weren't able to hold the market. See, on 7th December, today क्या हुआ? Huge short covering in calls. This was the reason this Bank Nifty is short. They were unable to bring the market down and hold the market at lower levels. So they had to cover their calls, and even see FIs, they had to cover all of their puts. Where is it? Yes, they have to cover all of their puts, and their net short in puts yesterday, and even rose. Therefore, they have huge number of put shots presented. So this signifies there is a very strong buyer who came in the market, and his positions are right at this specific zone. Okay, so coming to the future sessions, see, one thing as a trader which you have to follow is that you have to be ready to change your views in the mid market by looking at market structure, because anything can happen at any time. Any player can come in, any player can get out. So you have to be very quick enough to change your views, or else you'll get slaughtered like a pig, because that is what happens, right? And so that's that. So now if you look at this price action, देखो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे एक रेंज बाउंड मार्केट था, ठीक है, and whenever this specific zone was hit, there was an immediate sell off, right? So this was the first time, right? This was the first time an immediate 1,000 point sell off. It again tested this zone, open gap up. See, this is another point, but again this time it tested this zone, again the sell off came. But see, this time what happened, someone who bought it here, he was very successful to maintain the market at this specific zone. Okay, and if this is a very clear indication that this has very high chances to break up above, because this zone was sustained. देखो यहाँ पे sell off आया, so the number of orders which were present over here, they got absorbed the first time. The sell off came again. The bull just bought into this. Again he bought into this sell off, but this time there was not enough supply left. Yes, there was some supply, इसीलिए red candles दिख रहे हैं, but that supply was not enough to again push the market down. Okay, so यहाँ पे tomorrow is kind of confusing day for me. So I'll just stay out. There is only one level which I'll trade at. Otherwise, I'll just sit out for the whole day and I'll observe how market is reacting to the buyers and sellers tomorrow. So let it decide where it wants to go tomorrow, and then we'll enter on the expiry day. Okay, my understanding of the market structure is clearly saying that this has to go up tomorrow because market is just holding over here. But one thing which is very very intriguing is that FIIs are continuously selling. There is no one day where their net was on buy side. Every day they are just selling 2,000 crores, 3,000 crores. So the structure and the data are saying two different things. So it's better to just sit out. But if you just look purely at this structure, then it has to go up. So how will we trade today? How will we trade tomorrow? So there is only one zone which I will trade. See, if tomorrow a 75-minute candle, see if straightly opens gap up above this zone 740, wait for a 5-minute candle, and if it forms green, see I generally wait for 3-minute candle, but for safe side you just wait for 5-minute candle, and above this zone, okay, if it opens and it forms a green candle, buy with its low as stop loss, because this has very high chances to go up. I won't be trading that just because of this Fibonacci level which is present over here. Okay, this is as simple as that. Because whenever this zone is broken, there was 61.8%. What happened over here? It went, gave a dip below this zone, closed above. अगले दिन इसके नीचे खुला, इसके ऊपर बंद हुआ, and 2 days which it faced selling pressure, and अगले ही दिन it opened gap down below this. Okay, so one thing is that whenever an important Fibonacci zone on higher time frame, that is 61.8%, is broken, that has to act as a resistance. So this zone is 37,062, and see you have a very good gap. अगर यहाँ पे 5 minutes से candle रुकता है, then 37,062, this is somewhere the zone of that Fibonacci level. So sometimes it just goes a bit above. So see, there is a gap which has to be filled. So you can trade like that, and on 5-minute candle just keep on trailing. So you have chance to gain this 352 points if it opens gap up tomorrow. But I won't be taking that trade because see, if this important supply is broken, it might halt for some time by filling this gap, but there might be a sell off. So I won't put my money in something which is so you know confusing. So if you want to take this trade I am a bit confident, but I won't be taking it. I will just take the sell trade which will come. Okay, and that will be at this specific zone. इसको ऊपर अगर ओपन करना है करने दो, ऊपर जाने दो जितना जाना है, and I will hit my sell at this zone 37,504 and 37,382 है ना. यहाँ पे देखो, this is zone of 120 points, and if on 15 minutes time frame, if I find a red candle, like this, if it is getting rejected from this zone, and I find a red full body candle at this zone with this high as stop loss, I'll go short. Okay, and because see, FII's data points are confusing, and if they just hit one button in Bank Nifty, you know what happens. They just dump Bank Nifty like anything. So tomorrow, one confident trade which I will take is at this specific zone but with price action. That will be it for tomorrow. And on downside, I won't take any trade tomorrow. See, if you look at this data point of today, pros have net positions of 1 lakh 6. Like they have shorted these many puts and they have bought these many calls. So there is a high probability that it might open gap up and it will just go on because there is no supply left as we look at the structure over here. And see, those who have bought over here, if this specific level gets hit 37,500, so they go, each and everyone just books their profit periodically, right? So they are getting a profit of 1800 points. अगर ये अपना zone है 37,382 to 37,508, they are getting a profit of over 1700 to 1900 points in 2 days. Okay, that's a lot. And being RBI, like कल एक RBI का meeting है, RBI policy का, so it's better to take just one confident trade. Tomorrow will be volatile, so on downside there are no trades for me. I will sit and watch the market if this it comes downside, and on the upper side 508 is the level where, not exact level, this is the zone. Okay, this is a zone where I'll look to book my profits. Okay, because if it goes above this, देखो ये next अगले कैंडल है ना, अगला अगला दिन का कैंडल, यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन भी है, तो ये रेसिस्टेंस इज डायरेक्टली coinciding with this specific zone. See, if you let's just look at the crosshair here, this is the zone, and yes, so it will be like the gap will be filled, and the move which started from here, there might be a sell-off. So this is one confident trade for me tomorrow, and this is the trade which you can take, but I won't be taking that trade tomorrow because of many confluences of Fibonacci levels right above this zone, which might act as resistance. So I'll just stay out if this happens. So yes, so if you want to just take trade with me, that one confident trade, then you can just take this trade, and I suggest on the downside you just stay out. Okay, if market comes on the downside, you just stay out for the day. That's it, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked my analysis, just like the video and subscribe. And remember, discipline is everything in this market. So, yeah, see ya.